Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the 3 stages of execution of felonies. What are the 3 stages of execution of felonies? First, consummated stage. Second, frustrated stage. And third, attempted stage. Let us discuss each of the stages of execution of felonies. Consummated stage. It is a stage of execution of a crime wherein all of the elements necessary for execution and accomplishment in the commission of the crime are present. Bawat crime po ay may tinatawag tayong elements or requirements para masabing nalabag natin yon. Example, sa theft, ang elements ng theft ay: una, may nakuhang personal na ari-arian. Pangalawa, ang ari-arian na yon ay pag-aari ng iba. Pangatlo, ang pagkuha sa ari-arian ng iba ay may kaakibat na layuning angkinin o gamitin. Pang-apat, ang pagkuha ng ari-arian ng iba ay walang pahintulot ng may-ari. At panglima, ang pagkuha ay nagawa ng walang paggamit ng karahasan, laban o pananakot sa mga tao o persa sa mga bagay. Pag lahat ng 5 elements na yan ay nagawa o mayroon, masasabi natin na yung theft o pagnakaw ng akusado ay consummated. Now, to the second stage, which is frustrated stage. It is where the offender has performed all the acts of execution to produce the felony as a consequence, but the crime does not result due to some cause independent of the will of the offender. Dito naman, nagawa lahat ni offender ang mga kailangan niyang gawin para magawa ang nais niyang krimen. Kaso, hindi na-achieve yung crime na gustong gawin ng offender dahil sa mga pangyayaring hindi ginawa o wala sa kakayahan ng nagkasala. Example, Juan, with intent to kill, stabbed Pedro in his chest. Ngunit hindi namatay si Pedro dahil naagapan agad ng doktor ang sugat niya. In this case, if Pedro died, the crime committed becomes consummated. However, it is only frustrated because the felony was not produced by reason of causes independent of the will of the perpetrator, that is, the timely medical intervention. Now to the third stage, which is attempted stage. There is an attempt when the offender commences the commission of a felony directly by overt acts and does not perform all the acts of execution which should produce the felony by reason of some cause or accident other than his spontaneous desistance. Dito naman sa attempted stage, may intent siyang gumawa ng krimen. May nagawa na siya kaso hindi nagawa lahat ng offender yung elements ng crime para makonsummate ito. Ang dahilan kung bakit hindi niya nagawa lahat ng elements or yung acts of execution ay dahil sa ilang dahilan o aksidente maliban sa kanyang kusang paghinto o pagtigil sa krimen na nais gawin. Example, si Pedro na may intensyon magnakaw ay sinira yung grills sa bintana ng bahay ni Juan. Kung nahuli si Pedro habang sinisira niya ang grills sa bintana, anong stage of execution ito? Ang sagot ay attempted. Bakit? Kasi gustong gawing magnakaw ni Pedro at ang pagsira niya sa grills ng bintana ay ang unang hakbang niya upang gawin ang krimen na gusto niya. Since nahuli siya before siya makapasok sa bahay, attempted lang ito dahil hindi pa siya nakakapagnakaw, hindi pa siya nakapasok at wala pa siyang nakukuha. However, kung nahuli lang siya noong may nakuha na siya, let's say habang palabas na siya ng bahay, consummated na po yung crime niya. Hindi na po attempted. Kung habang sinisira niya yung grills, nagbago yung isip niya, sabi niya, wag na lang siya magnakaw, hindi siya liable sa attempted robbery. Sabi natin, in attempted, the felony was not produced by reason of some cause or accident other than his own spontaneous desistance. However, kung may damage na doon sa grills, pwede siyang singilin ng damages o pagpapaayos. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.